Welcome back to our channel. With the end of the year approaching today, we're diving into the top IoT trends to watch out for in 2024. From smart toothbrushes to AI-augmented machines, the digital and physical worlds are merging in extraordinary ways. Let's explore what this means for us all. First up, IoT Security and Privacy. Let's face it, the explosion of connected devices means a heightened risk of cyber attacks. These aren't just computers and phones, but any device that's online, whether that's kitchen appliances or industrial machinery. As remote work spreads, protecting these networks is vital for both businesses and individuals. In 2024, expect to see advanced security protocols becoming the standard to keep our data safe. Turning to healthcare, IoT is revolutionizing how we manage wellness. Remote monitoring of patients and assisting doctors with data-driven diagnostics are just the start. With an aging population, technologies like virtual hospitals are becoming essential. And this year, we're seeing generative AI synthesize patient data into reports, potentially transforming healthcare into a market worth billions. Next is the convergence of AI and IoT, or AIoT. These smart devices are now more than connected. They're intelligent, capable of decision-making through machine learning. As these devices proliferate, creating harmony among them is a 2024 priority. From intelligent protocols to new fun gadgets, this convergence is set to spark a wave of innovation. Generative AI in wearables is another hot trend. Imagine your smartwatch not just tracking steps, but also offering personalized advice, acting as a fitness coach, or even a language tutor. In 2024, wearables are evolving from simple task managers to complex AI companions, potentially making today's digital assistants a thing of the past. Edge computing is next on our list. This technology processes data where it's collected, like in autonomous vehicles making split-second decisions. With 5G's rise, edge computing is set to enable quicker, smarter, and more autonomous devices, streamlining everything from traffic management to personal tech. In retail, IoT is transforming how we shop. Inventory systems, footfall trackers, and automated checkouts are becoming the norm. While not all innovations stick, think of Amazon's contactless stores. The sector is expected to invest heavily in IoT to enhance customer experiences, with market spending predicted to soar by 2031. Sustainability is crucial, and IoT is at its heart. In 2024, we'll see IoT for monitoring energy efficiency, optimizing supply chains, and managing waste. It's about using technology to ensure resources are not just consumed, but reused, reducing our environmental footprint. V2V communications are set to make driving safer and more efficient. By sharing data like speed and potential hazards, vehicles can reduce accidents and congestion, leading to smoother and greener travel. This technology is becoming increasingly vital for the future of autonomous and connected vehicles. Digital twins are virtual replicas, from engine parts to entire cities. They enable risk-free testing and faster innovation. IoT enriches these models with real-time data, making them incredibly lifelike. In 2024, expect to see digital twins in more sectors, improving everything from urban planning to product development. Finally, brain-computer interfaces are on the horizon. While still emerging, this technology allows devices to be controlled by thought, hinting at a future where our brains directly interface with tech. Companies are ramping up trials, and we might start seeing practical applications sooner than you think. As we step into 2024, these IoT trends won't just shape technology, but also redefine how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post.